Hello, my name is Madison Hamil, and I would like to thank you for the time and consideration for the Science Ambassador Scholarship. Today I would like to talk to you about something I am very passionate about, hemiplegic migraine. It is a type of migraine with aura that is very rare. It only affects about 1% of the population. It is so rare because of its motor weakness caused by motor aura. It has other auras as well, such as impaired vision, impaired speech, and sensations. The type of migraine hemiplegic migraine mimics strokes as well. Anything that can happen with a stroke can happen with hemiplegic migraine as well, including coma and death. Hemiplegic migraine can be familial or sporadic. Sporadic meaning that you are the first in your family to present signs of hemiplegic migraine or be diagnosed. And now that you know a little bit about hemiplegic migraine, I can tell you where it comes from and how it comes about. There are 3 genes, CACNA1A, ATP1A2, and SCN1A, that can be mutated and cause hemiplegic migraine. A parent with one of those mutated genes has a 50% chance of giving it to a child of theirs. But because there are 3 genes that can be mutated, a child who has 2 to 3 of the mutated genes is less likely, by researchers believe, to have a chance of having migraine attacks in their life. So the weakness that makes these types of migraines so rare is caused by cortical spreading depression in the cerebral cortex. And most researchers believe it is what causes the aura and possibly causes the migraine itself. The cortical spreading depression starts in the occipital lobe, impairing vision, and then the parietal lobe, affecting both motor skills and speech, causing aphasia. And aphasia is when the patient has difficulty speaking or understanding speech or even written words. And when the migraine attack happens, the person does not only experience one aura, they experience 2 or more every time they have a migraine attack. The effects of the aura can last from hours to days and even weeks at most. Sporadic hemiplegic migraine patients have been found indistinguishable from familial hemiplegic migraine patients. But on the positive side, there are treatment options for those diagnosed with the rare hemiplegic migraine. The major difference between hemiplegic migraine and stroke is that someone with hemiplegic migraine will almost always recover unless it led to an actual stroke, which is a possibility, but though it is very rare. And once again, I would like to thank you for the opportunity to educate you on hemiplegic migraine. And I want to teach as many people as possible because this is almost always misdiagnosed as psychogenic non-epileptic syndrome and stress-related disorders. Thank you for your consideration.